Hi there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads. Sorry about that. And I was doing some research in your area. I came across your company. I thought I'd give you an analysis, how you're doing online. If after this video you're interested in learning more, please reach out via email, phone, or text. If not, no harm, no foul. Any insight on the video, and if it was helpful, would be helpful to me. So I'm going to go over three areas today. The first is content, then citations, and then backlinks, and just to see how you're performing online. So I'm at your web page and you have some really awesome things here. Nice title, nice clickable buttons, very good picture of the area. Um, it's laid out very attractive. And you have, I think you have a call to action here. Yep, get a quote. You have another call to action down here. So that lets people know how to get in touch with you. And then your information logo down here. So it looks good. So generally we like to see about 1,500 words on the front page. So if you could add some, it would help you rank higher on Google for sure, because then you putting more highly relevant content about what you do is telling Google, hey, this is what I do. If people are searching for that, show me. That's what it's telling Google. So you want to add some content in there. Images also count as content. You want to save them as keywords to your niche, things like building inspection, roofing inspection, mold inspection, any of these services that you do. That's how you want to save your images, and you also want to add those to your content in your homepage as well. So that's about it for content. I'm going to go into citations. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number, and the number of times that it appears on online directories like Yelp, Angie's List, Yellow Pages. Those are all online directories. The more you put your name in there, the more Google says, hey, I trust you guys. I'm going to connect you a lot. I'm going to push you up in this map pack. The map pack is where you want to be for sure. You can be in the top spot. Awesome. Top 3 is really good. It just gets lots of clicks here just because it's in the middle of the page. It's a good view on mobile. Easy to click the website. Usually there's a phone number people can just pick up and call. So the more citations help you rank higher in here. I'll just go back up here before I talk about the last part. These are Google ads. Businesses pay for them. Some people have ad blockers. Some customers do. They don't want to see ads. The most important part to ranking in Google is your organic rank. So how well you're doing without the use of ads. Those are below the map pack here. So these are the businesses that are appearing without any ad next to them. Now things like this doesn't count. Like Angie's List wouldn't count because they're lead gens. What counts are things like, yeah, like New Jersey Best Home Inspections. I think I ran that for you. I'll show you here in a minute. Oh, I might have to run that because I think it's behind there. But I'm going to show you, explain to you, this is a tool we use. It's called Ahrefs. I'm going to put you guys in here real quick. This analyzes your website. And there we go. It shows you how many backlinks you have. So a backlink, again, helps you rank organically on the first page. And ideally, you want to be in the map pack and ranking top here organically for as many keywords as you can. You're going to get 80% of the clicks that way and get a whole lot of traffic to your website. So backlinks. A backlink is any web page that links back to yours. So someone could be writing a blog about home inspections. They say what a wonderful job you did. They post your website. It links back to yours if you click it. That's the backlink. The blog itself is their referring domain. You want your referring domains to be good quality and you want high quantity. So there's a fine balance there that we try to perfect when doing your when building web pages. Looks like your backlinks for your organic is giving you a little bit of organic search. So there's about 2 people coming to your web page a month. Ahrefs can be off a little bit for sure. So you could have more traffic than that organically without paying for it. I'm just going to run your competition here. Is this Educated Home Inspections? So let me see if this is okay. So here is one of your competitors. I'm going to put them in here. Oops, sorry. And real quick, go to the overview here. We'll see where they're at with backlinks and such. So they have more referring domains than you, less backlinks. Yeah, way less backlinks, but more referring domains. So that's the factor there as to why they are ranking higher on Google. Here they are. They're not even in the top spot, but they're definitely on the first page here, which is good. You want to be on the first page for sure. But you can kind of see how just with those referring domains, they're getting more traffic. They're getting 30 visits per month. So what we do is we just take your competitors' backlinks and we use those, and then we just do some more. So if they have like 500 backlinks, we would do like 600. Same thing with citations. We just take their citations and then do some more. So I just kind of wanted to give you some insight into how you guys were doing online. If you have any questions or would like to learn how Christie's Leads can help grow your business, please reach out, email, phone, or text. If not, no harm, no foul. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.